Can function. It's a matter of whether there's a will for the Dáil to function. It was very clear to me on day one of this Dáil, Sinn Féin made it clear they didn't want the constitutional business of the Dáil to be carried out that day. And they disrupted that very significantly, forced the adjournment of the Dáil. That was the first time, I'd say, in 106 years that the Dáil was not able to actually vote on the first day, which is to elect a government. And that was a deliberate orchestrated event. So these are deliberate decisions to disrupt the Dáil. Last week I wasn't allowed to speak for 3 minutes. I spoke, but there was roaring and screaming and shouting as I spoke. I allowed all of us in the government side, said, look, there can't be any heckling or shouting and roaring, let the opposition speak. We did, of course, but that was not reciprocated, particularly by Sinn Féin. I think the other two parties did when I was on leaders' questions. But Sinn Féin, if you looked at how they were organised, clearly decided that I was not to be allowed to speak. That's a fundamental undermining of democracy, and that shouldn't be tolerated in any shape or form and is not justified. That said, we're willing to engage with the opposition parties in terms of the functioning of the Dáil, in terms of the establishment of Dáil committees, and to get work underway.